In this video, I explain how to search, create and save audiences using the Audience Builder in Stager. The Audience Builder is a tool to select groups of people from your contacts database. For this reason, you'll find the Audience Builder in the same section of Stager as you find your contacts. Single contacts can be found directly by name or email address by selecting Marketing and then Contacts. You select Marketing, Contacts and Audiences to select individual contacts into one audience, based on certain rules. Select New Audience to create a new audience. You use the Audience Builder to create rules that the desired target audience must meet. You start by indicating whether the target audience must meet only one of the rules you create or all of them. Select Any if the target audience must meet at least one of the rules. Select All if the target audience must meet all of the rules. If you click on the first field, you can select the topic you want to create a rule for. An example. All contacts in the target group must have bought tickets for a specific event, be older than 18 years old, and have attended more than 5 events. You can now, for example, invite the people who visited the last Stager in concert for a new edition. It's also possible that some of the characteristics apply to the entire target group, and some don't. In this case, you don't add a new rule, but you add a new set of rules. A set of rules are at least 2 rules that are grouped together to be treated in a query. You can also add a new set of rules within a set of rules. We'll give you an example of an audience created using a set of rules. Let's say you want to notify contacts about an upcoming hip-hop event. The event is similar to several previous hip-hop events that have taken place. You expect that ticket buyers from the previous events will also be interested in the new event. If a contact had a ticket for one of the previous events, you want to email them about the upcoming event. If a contact did not attend the events, but is interested in hip-hop, you want to approach them as well. You also want them to have given permission to mail, so they will also need an opt-in. So, now you create a rule in which all contacts have not bought a ticket for the new upcoming hip-hop event. You start by selecting all, since the following 2 rules are required for every contact. We first create a rule for all contacts who have not bought a ticket for the upcoming hip-hop event. We also create a rule for the opt-in, keep me informed about upcoming events. Now we create a new set of rules and select Any, since we want to reach anyone who fits at least one characteristic of this set of rules. We create a new rule for people who purchased tickets for one of the previous events. We create another rule for people who have an interest in hip-hop. Either or both cases are fine in this rule. Now that your target audience is created, you want to reach them with an email. You do this by clicking Show Contacts. There are 2 options to reach your audience. The direct way is to select all contacts and then click on Email and then select with Stager. Stager now opens the Stager mailer with the appropriate target group in the mailing list. Design the mail as you wish. Click on Send and you're done. You can also save the audience you just created. If you save it as an audience, then the audience is dynamic and Stager mails the people who fit into the audience at the time of sending. You reach this dynamic audience by entering the name of the audience in the Send To field of the mail. The Audience Builder is a tool with endless possibilities. Practice makes perfect. Get started with it yourself and be sure to let our support team know if you can't figure it out. We'll be happy to help you.